Many men silently struggle with concerns about the shape or curvature of their penis, often feeling isolated or unsure where to turn for answers. If you've noticed a bend or curve, perhaps to the left or right, or have been worried about a change in length, you're certainly not alone. This is a common issue affecting men of all ages and backgrounds, and it's important to know there are safe and natural ways to support penile alignment and overall health from the comfort of your own home.
First, let's understand why this happens. Penile curvature can be caused by a number of factors. For some men, genetics play a role, and a slight bend may be present from birth or become more noticeable with age. Others may develop a curve due to injury or excessive pressure. This could result from rough handling, certain sexual activities, or even sports-related trauma. Over time, repeated micro-injuries to the delicate tissues can cause scar tissue to form, leading to noticeable bending. One specific condition that causes penile curvature is called Peyronie's disease. With Peyronie's, tough, fibrous scar tissue, often called plaques, form inside the penis. These plaques don't stretch like normal tissue, so when the penis becomes erect, it bends or curves, sometimes causing discomfort or even pain. Peyronie's disease can happen suddenly or develop gradually, and while it might sound frightening, it's more common than you may think. Underlying health issues can also contribute to changes in penile shape and size. Conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, thyroid imbalances, or poor blood circulation can affect the health of blood vessels and connective tissues, making them more susceptible to injury or less able to heal properly. Wearing overly tight underwear or lacking proper support can add to the risk over time by restricting healthy blood flow and putting additional pressure on the area. The good news is that there are natural, gentle ways to support penile tissue health and encourage better alignment. One of the simplest approaches involves the use of a homemade massage oil and a careful, consistent massage technique. To create your own supportive massage oil, start with coconut oil as the base. Coconut oil is known for its soothing, moisturizing properties and is generally well tolerated by sensitive skin. Next, add 1 to 2 cloves. These are natural circulation boosters, which can help improve blood flow. Finally, include the contents of a vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that supports tissue healing and elasticity. To prepare the oil, simply warm the coconut oil lightly, just enough so that it's comfortable to the touch. Crush the cloves gently to release their beneficial oils, then add them along with the vitamin E oil to the warmed coconut oil. Mix well and store this blend in a clean glass bottle. When it comes to massage, the key is to be gentle and consistent. Twice a day, in the morning and at night, warm a small amount of the oil and apply it to the penis. If your curve is toward the right, gently pull the penis toward the left and hold it in that position for 5 to 10 seconds. Use soft, downward strokes with your thumb and forefinger, applying light, even pressure from the base to the tip. Continue this massage for about 5 minutes each session. There's no need for aggressive pulling or force. In fact, being too rough can do more harm than good. Consistency, patience, and a gentle touch are what bring the best results. For those looking for a ready-to-use, all-natural solution, consider blends that combine coconut oil, sesame oil, and clove. These ingredients have a long history in traditional medicine for supporting tissue health, improving local circulation, and promoting nerve function. Men who are dealing with diabetic or age-related weakening of nerves and blood vessels may find these blends especially helpful. It's also important to address lifestyle factors that can influence penile health. Avoiding tight underwear, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure all play a role in preserving tissue integrity and flexibility. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, and getting regular exercise contribute to better circulation and overall sexual health. If you're feeling anxious or if the curvature is causing pain, difficulty with sexual activity, or emotional distress, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Penile curvature is nothing to be ashamed of, and there are medical treatments available for more severe cases, including medications, injections, or minimally invasive procedures. Early intervention can prevent progression and help restore confidence. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Many men have experienced exactly what you're going through right now and have found relief with gentle, natural methods, healthy habits, and the right support. If this information has been helpful, consider sharing it. Someone you know may be suffering in silence, and a bit of knowledge can make a world of difference in their life. In summary, penile curvature is common and can result from genetics, injury, underlying health issues, or lifestyle factors. A natural massage oil made with coconut oil, cloves, and vitamin E, combined with a gentle, consistent massage routine, can help support tissue health and alignment over time. Avoid harmful habits, stay proactive about your health, and don't be afraid to seek professional guidance if you need it. Taking care of your sexual health is an important part of overall well-being. With patience, consistency, and the right information, gradual improvement is possible. You deserve to feel confident and comfortable in your body. Keep learning, stay positive, and remember that help is always available if you need it.